underscore 10c show tables. I'm opening the table class. So select star from class. Okay, so this is a table which I have in my system. Okay, now suppose I wanted to display the names of those students जिनके नेम में exactly 5 characters आते हैं, not more than 5, not less than 5. So we will write a command select star, or you can write, if you want to display only name, so you can write name from class where name like. Here again we will use the like clause, where name like within bracket. Now you have to put the underscore 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. It looks like a straight line, but I have pressed shift and minus button from the keyboard 5 times to make it an underscore. Bracket close, semicolon, enter. So all these names are coming which are having exactly 5 characters in their names. Clear? So using this you can match the criteria. Next is, now I wanted to search match a string with at least है यहाँ पे at least 3 characters, यानी कि at least 3 तो होने चाहिए, और उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, पर कम से कम 3 तो होने ही चाहिए. So we will take at least 4 characters. So select name from class where name like within double quotes at least 4 लिखना है. तो 1 2 3 4 times you will put the dash underscore and then you will use a percentage symbol, यानी कि आगे कुछ भी हो सकता है but at least 4 characters होने चाहिए. So 7 हो सकते हैं, 10 हो सकते हैं, 20 हो सकते हैं, it can be anything. Or instead of this try it on name, we will try it on activity. Activity में हमारे को एटलीस्ट 5 कैरेक्टर्स चाहिए. देयर आर 3 एक्टिविटीज विद 4 कैरेक्टर्स आल्सो. सो लाइक 1 2 3 4 5, एटलीस्ट 5 कैरेक्टर्स आई वांट. देन percentage sign, double quotes close, semicolon, enter. So only okay, I told them to display the names only. सो हमारे पास बास्केटबॉल और क्रिकेट जो है वो अदिति, राहुल एंड भारती के पास है. सो ओनली दीज 3 नेम्स आर कमिंग, अदिति, भारती एंड राहुल. This is pattern based matching. Yesterday we have done pattern based matching with the characters like उसमें आपके नेम में या कहीं भी ए आर आ रहा है, या फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट हमें पता है या लास्ट अल्फाबेट हमें पता है, तो we were matching the pattern like that. But today we are matching the pattern like कि at least 4 characters, या we require only exactly 5 characters. So that is your choice according to the question what is the requirement. Next is now use of not like operator. Not like operator मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, इसके अलावा कुछ भी हो सकता है. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल फोन नंबर्स हैं, तो फोन नंबर्स में मुझे 9 और परसेंटेज, मतलब स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 9 और आगे कुछ भी हो, लेकिन फोन नंबर 9 से स्टार्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. सो आई वांटेड टू सर्च those phone numbers which are not starting from 9. So according to my table, now we can run a query. I wanted to display the names of the students whose name doesn't starts with character B. So we will write a query select name from class where नेम नॉट लाइक, हम पहले सिर्फ लाइक यूज कर रहे थे, अब हम नॉट लाइक यूज कर रहे हैं। नॉट लाइक विद इन डबल कोट्स बी देन परसेंटेज साइन, यानी कि बी एज अ फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट नहीं होना चाहिए, आगे कुछ भी हो सकता है, semicolon, enter. So now only 4 names are coming out of 6 names, because there are 2 names which are starting from the character B, Bhavna and Bharti. So this is a use of not like operator. Next is searching for null value. Null value means अगर सपोज इफ देयर इज अ चाइल्ड जिसका फोन नंबर हमने एंटर नहीं किया, और या जिसकी कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड जो है वो ब्लैंक है, तो वी कैन सर्च फॉर दैट वैल्यू यूजिंग द नल स्टेटमेंट. अभी मेरे पास जो टेबल है, आई डोंट हैव एनी नल वैल्यू, बट लेट अस इंसर्ट अ नल वैल्यू फर्स्ट. So let us add one more record in this table. Insert into class values bracket start 1 6 तो already records है 7, then j comma 9 comma section B activity, let us leave it blank, bracket close, enter, a semicolon, enter. Column count doesn't match. Okay, so we can write insert into class values 7 comma j comma 9 comma b comma null. Okay, so we have inserted a null value in place of activity. Let us check the table now. Select star from class. So this is our table, and जो last student है जय, उसकी हमने activity insert नहीं करी है, so instead of that null is coming. So if suppose I have, ये तो this is a very small table, so it is very easy to find the null value, you can easily see. But suppose if you have a record of 1,000 students, so it is difficult to find out the null values at that time. So how can we apply, how can we find out the null values? For that we will use a command like where select star from class where activity is लगेगा यहाँ पे, is null, activity is null, semicolon, enter. So there is only one student, that is Jay. Clear? So we have used is as a clause and null is a value. So is clause is used here. Next is order by clause. Order by means I want to do some arrangements in my table. That is, I wanted to arrange my table in ascending order or in descending order. Right now, by default, my table which we have is coming according to roll numbers, but not according to names. So I want to arrange my table according to names, suppose. So for that we will use order by जो भी आपके column का name है. And how you will decide that you want to arrange them in ascending order or descending order? So ascending के लिए we will use a keyword ASC, and for descending we will use a keyword DESC. बाय डिफॉल्ट वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करता है. तो इफ यू वांट टू अरेंज समथिंग इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर देन यू इवन यू आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू यूज दिस कीवर्ड ASC. बट अगर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है देन इट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू यूज DESC. Let us try this. So I wanted to arrange according to the names of the students in ascending order first. So select star from class where नहीं आएगा, sorry, order by name AS. एक बार कुछ भी नहीं लिखते, order by name semicolon enter. So now the names are coming in ascending order. So roll number 1 is coming at the top, then 2, then 4, then 7, then 6, then 5 and then 3. So like this they are coming. So because we have not used कि हमें ascending order में arrange करना था या descending में करना था, so by default it will arrange in ascending order only. So if I wanted to arrange them in descending order, then I'll write select star from class order by DESC, descending order. Select star from class. Sorry, DECS is the spelling. Select star from class order by DECS. Unknown column. Unknown column DECS in order clause. Okay. Select star from name of the column we missed. Class order by name DECS. DESC or DECS? DESC only.
The spelling of order is wrong.
Okay. Order. Select star from class order by name DESC semicolon enter. Okay, the spelling is DESC only. So all the names are coming in descending order now. So in the same way, you can arrange them according to their classes, according to their sections, according to their activity, or according to their roll numbers, in whatever the way you want to arrange. So this is how we can arrange the table according to ascending order or descending order. Okay, now last thing is, how can we drop a column? Suppose I don't want to keep this column activity now, or maybe the section. So I'll write the command. We are deleting a column this time. Update, alter table class drop section semicolon enter. Now let us display the table again. Select star from class. Now there is no column with the name section in this table because we have deleted that column using the alter command. Alter command is used to modify the structure of the table. So using the alter command, we have deleted this column. In the same way, you can also delete the whole table using the drop command. So for that, you will write alter table class drop class. तो वो पूरा आपका पूरा table delete हो जाएगा. or you can directly write drop class, but I will not do it right now because otherwise my whole table will get deleted. Is it clear to everyone? Let us try deleting another column, another table of this show data, show tables. Okay, so we are using the table class. I wanted to delete the table class 10c. So we will write the command drop class 10c, drop table class 10c.
Ma'am, you have not chosen that table.
नहीं बेटा चूज क्यों करना है टेबल को? टेबल को नहीं चूज करना ना, वी आर ऑलरेडी इनसाइड द डेटाबेस, सो वी नीड टू जस्ट ड्रॉप द टेबल विच इज ऑलरेडी देयर. So we need not to alter table command we will not write, because alter table is modifying the structure of the table. So directly we will write drop table and then the name of the table. Let us check the tables now. Show tables. Only one table is coming in this database now, that is class. Earlier there were two tables, class and class 10c. Now class 10c is deleted and only there is one table, that is class. So is it clear to everyone?